So कैसे है करना है, we'll start with the basic one and then we'll quickly go to the triangular wave. Okay, so हम basic से start करेंगे. We'll start with this staircase problem and then we'll quickly move to the other topic and we can make finally a triangular wave. Okay, so that is the main motto of this lecture. Hardly it will take half an hour in order to write down मतलब in order to understand this program. But once understood, I'm pretty much sure अगर इस पूरे सब थर्ड मॉड्यूल में से अगर कोई इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, दैट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन इज टू जनरेट अ ट्रायंगुलर वेव. ओके, yeah, so there is hardly anything that you need to learn from this circuit diagram because circuit diagram में ज्यादा कुछ नहीं है. आपको क्या करता है, डीएसी क्या करता है, ये 8 बिट का इनपुट लेता है. इट टेक्स इनपुट which is 8 bit input. Okay, so from 805 it will take the input and after taking the input DAC will basically convert into a voltage. Okay, so ये एक voltage में convert कर देगा. Okay, इसको, so that is the only job of it. Okay, so उसके अलावा इसका कुछ काम नहीं है. कौन से चैनल पे लेना है, जैसे एडीसी में होता था वो डिसाइड करना, यहाँ पे कुछ ऐसा डिसीजन नहीं लेना है. इट इज अ प्रेटी स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड सर्किट डायग्राम. ओके, नथिंग न्यू अबाउट इट. ओके, सो सिर्फ उसके अंदर एक एक्स्ट्रा पार्ट ऐड होता है जिसका नाम है ओपैम्प. हर्ड अबाउट ओपैम्प?
No.
No.
ओपैम्प नहीं हुआ है आपको? एडीसी. ओके, ऑपरेशनल एम्पलीफायर. हर्ड अबाउट ऑपरेशनल एम्पलीफायर? आईसी 777 747 आई थिंक. आईसी नंबर 747. नॉट हर्ड अबाउट दिस? Okay, it is kind of a circuit. It is a circuit basically. Okay, have you seen this symbol in a circuit? Have you seen this symbol in a circuit? It is
Yes.
not. It is not a NOT gate. It is
Plus
something.
minus.
Comparator.
Yeah, yeah. It is an amplifier. Okay, so यहाँ से there is a feedback which is given. Okay, and this is with feedback. There is one without feedback. Okay, so these are nothing but operational amplifier. IC 747. I think. Just check it out. What is the IC number of op amp? I think 747 या 777 है मेरे ख्याल से. Just check it out. Can someone Google it? What is the IC number of op amp? Has anybody got the answer?
741.
741.
741.
Okay. So IC number is 741. Okay. So क्या होता है यहाँ पे बेसिकली, ये op amp जो है, आप इस 8 डिजिटल इनपुट जो है आपका, उस 8 डिजिटल इनपुट का जो आउटपुट आएगा, यहाँ पे आपको एक op amp कनेक्ट करके एंड फाइनली उसको एम्पलीफाई करके यू कैन लुक एट द लार्जर वोल्टेज. जो आपको चाहिए उस हिसाब से आप वोल्टेज ले सकते हो यहाँ पे. Okay, so only the op amp part is extra that you will be adding over here. The rest part is as plain as forward. Okay, it is very simple. Okay, so nothing new to discuss in that circuit, so we'll directly jump to the programming part. Okay, hardly anything there in circuit. Okay, so I'll just quickly explain you with the help of the diagram. सिर्फ मैं diagram बना के बता देता हूँ कि कैसा होता है. So we have a 8051. We have 8051. Okay, from this 8051 can get we can get 8-bit data. Okay, ये जो है आपका 8-bit data है. Okay, so this is the power supply आप दे सको. So VCC and ground is a power supply. VREF and minus VREF is the reference voltage. Okay, so this is the Yeah, am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
मेरा आवाज बीच में कट गया था क्या? Something.
हाँ सर, स्टार्टिंग से।
Yes.
हाँ सर.
Okay. So I'll quickly show you the diagram. So the interfacing of DAC is looking like this. Okay, so we have got 8051.
Presentation is not on, sir.
Okay, okay, okay. Is it visible now?
Yes.
So the topic is interfacing of a DAC with 8051. Okay, so we have got 8051 microprocessor, microcontroller. So that 8051 microcontroller will generate an 8-bit data, and that 8-bit data will come out of any port. Okay, so we are assuming it is coming out of a port which is called as a, which port we are the data is coming out of. What is the name of the port? The data जहाँ से आ रहा है into DAC. The name of the port P1. Okay, so we are assuming P1 से हम data को transfer करेंगे into a DAC, and DAC will take that digital data and it will try to convert into analog data, which analog data will be called as a V out, okay, or voltage out. Okay, so this is the main working. This is how you basically the whole connectivity is there between 805 and DAC. Nothing new or nothing fashionable out of it. Okay, it is just simple and it is plain forward. Okay, so what you have to do, the question is, there can be multiple questions which can be asked in this in it. So first question is, write a program to generate a staircase using DAC, and the IC number is 0808. Okay, connected with 8051 microcontroller. Okay, so this is the question. Is it clear? What is the question? Write a program to generate staircase. What is the meaning of staircase? So the outcome should look like this. Okay, this is should be the output of it. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
So this is what you have to get as the output. Okay, so we end may we have to make this diagram. You want to generate something like this as the output, but right now there can be multiple situation. EXEC के paper में, because EXEC also has a similar subject, in their paper they have asked staircase problem. IT generally prefer IT में जितने भी faculty हैं या जो भी paper set करता है, जो जो जितने साल से भी जो set कर रहा है, they generally try to ask this question. So पता नहीं कभी switch हो गया हो कोई question या अगली बार कुछ अलग आ जाए. So we'll start with the different types of design that we have. So first is the staircase, and इसका continuity is basically your triangular diagram. Okay, so you want to build a output which is something like this. Okay, which is something in the form of staircase. Okay, so we have to write down the program for this. Okay, so how to start the program? सबसे पहले क्या करना है? Processor के पास data है. Okay, so can you tell me what is the lowest voltage that you can generate? 8-bit का. What is the lowest voltage 8-bit का?
00H.
It is 00H. उसके बाद अगली बार आप क्या करोगे? You will maintain. अगर ये स्क्वायर वेव होता, ओके, if it was स्क्वायर वेव, ओके, सो आप क्या करते हैं? 0 देते हैं, देन आप डिले रखते हो थोड़ी देर के लिए, देन आप 1 देते हो, फिर 1 देने के फिर से आप डिले रखते हो, फिर 0 देते हो, फिर डिले रखते हो, फिर 1 रखते हो. बराबर ऐसे ही करते हैं ना हम लोग. दिस इज हाउ वी डू.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Similarly over here we'll do the same thing. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll transfer 00H, then we'll give a little bit of delay. Okay, then we'll transfer, what is the next data that will transfer through port 1? What is it?
01H.
1H, then 02H, all the way up to what is the last data that we can transfer?
FFH.
It is FFH. Okay, so this is what we get as the we need to transfer the data, and this is how it will get displayed through DAC. It will be transferred to the CRT screen or CRO screen. Okay, on that CRT screen we can view this particular form of graph basically. Okay, so quickly just tell me what is the first thing that we need to do over here. सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है? प्रोसेसर से हमें पोर्ट पे ट्रांसफर करना है. So what is the instruction that I can write? From the processor I need to transfer to port 1.
Move P1, A.
Move P1, A. Okay. और उससे पहले हमें A को इनिशियलाइज करना पड़ेगा. Should we start initializing with A? What should be the value of A? A के अंदर हमें क्या वैल्यू डालना पड़ेगा? Just tell me. What is the first thing that you want to add into it?
00H.
00H. So I'll just write down move A comma 00H. Okay. So why I'm doing this? In order to initialize accumulator. Okay. So this is the first instruction. Initialize accumulator. Okay. नेक्स्ट हमें क्या करना है, एक्यूमुलेटर में डेटा आ चुका है, अब हमें उसको पोर्ट 1 पे डालना है. सो हाउ टू ट्रांसफर इट टू पोर्ट 1? टेल मी.
Move P1 comma
P1 comma A. So we have to transfer it to port 1. Okay, so transfer to port 1. So we have done with that part. Now once it has been transferred, अब क्या कर रहे हैं, वो वही 00 ही अगली बार भी ट्रांसफर करना है, उसको इंक्रीमेंट करना है.
Increment.
increment
Increment by 1, increment by 2, increment by 3, increment
By 1.
1. So what is the instruction for that?
INC.
INC.
And what I want to increment P1 का डेटा या A का डेटा?
A.
A का डेटा.
I'll increment A का डेटा. Okay, इससे क्या होगा? Next time A will get incremented by 1. Okay, so ये हमने कर दिया. उसके बाद हमने क्या करना है? एक बार इंक्रीमेंट हो गया, अगली बार क्या कर रहे हैं? So जब तक ये इंक्रीमेंट हो रहा है और जब तक पोर्ट 1 पे गया ये, और ये पोर्ट 1 पे कब तक रखना है आपको? फॉर अ पर्टिकुलर टाइम, या आपको फॉरन नेक्स्ट डेटा ट्रांसफर करना है? You want to give a delay, right? Right?
Yes.
So I'll call a function, and that function will be called as delay. Okay, I'm calling a function, and that function will be called as a delay. Okay, so let's assume I'm giving a delay of 2000 count. Okay, यानी 2000 microsecond का मैं delay दे रहा हूँ. I wanted to give a delay of 2000 microsecond. Okay, so ये delay देने के बाद अब मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? Do I want to stop it over here, या मुझे ये पूरा step वापस repeat करना पड़ेगा? What should I do? Repeat.
Repeat.
So मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? Jump if not 0. क्या 0 नहीं होगा? जब तक 0, कब तक रिपीट करना है? Till what time I have to repeat?
FF
जब तक एक्यूमुलेटर जो है वो FF पहुंच के वापस FF के बाद क्या आएगा? 00, राइट? तो जब तक एक्यूमुलेटर 00 ना बन जाए तब तक मुझे रिपीट करना है. ओके, सो जंप इफ नॉट 0 व्हाट एक्यूमुलेटर. एक्यूमुलेटर जब तक 0 ना हो जाए, सॉरी या jump if not 0 accumulator, by default it will assume accumulator only because 0 flag तो इसमें होता नहीं है. अगर आपको याद होगा, GNC will only be applied on accumulator. Okay, so if accumulator does not become 0, till then you have to repeat this loop again and again. As soon as it becomes 0, you have to stop the loop. Okay, so क्या कौन सा part आपको repeat करना है? Where should I put my label back? If I write down a label called as back, where should I put my label back? Where should I jump? Where do you want to jump? To the first instruction, second, third, fourth, fifth?
Second.
P1 comma A.
Second.
Second one. So I'll just put down the label over here. Very good. Okay, so I'll just put the label over here, which is back over here, and this is where I want to jump. Okay, once this part has been done, your program is almost over. End में जब भी ये accumulator 0 होगा, you want to stop the program over there. For stopping the program onto that same line, what is the output that we want to give? क्या करोगे?
ऐसे
You want to short jump. You want to short jump on the same location, and that location is called as here. And this is the same location where you want to jump again and again. Okay. So this is the end of the program. Is it clear? समझ में आया?
Yes.
Okay. I haven't written the delay का program. You have to write down the delay का program. I'm sure you can write down the delay का program. Can you write down the delay का program?
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell me 2000 का डिले अगर मुझे देना होगा तो 2000 माइक्रोसेकंड का अगर मुझे डिले देना है, okay, tell me the program for it, and I'll be using timer 1 mode 1. Okay, timer 1 और mode 1 यूज करना है. Can someone tell me what is the program for this? डिले का प्रोग्राम कहाँ से स्टार्ट होता है? Where does start from? Move what? Move where?
move T mod
सबसे पहले मोड सेलेक्ट करना पड़ेगा. सो मूव टी मॉड, एंड उस टी मॉड में मुझे क्या डालना पड़ेगा? व्हाट डज टी मॉड, व्हाट शुड आई पुट इनटू टी मॉड?
10.
It is 10. Okay, so just quickly for your reference, Tmod में क्या होता है? Can someone tell me what are there in Tmod? The first 4 bit is for timer 1 and the last 4 bit is for timer 0. So पहला क्या होता है? First bit is gate, second bit is counter slash timer. Then we have mode 0 and then we have M0 and then we have mode M1. Okay, just tell me क्या होगा? Gate 0 रखना है आपको. Counter या timer है क्या है? So यहाँ पे क्या होगा? Will be acting as a timer, so it will be 0 1.
0.
0. Mode 1 में select करना तो it is 0
सर
1.
M1 and M0 आएगा टी मोड में.
Sorry, M1 and M0. Yeah, good. So M1 and M0 में मुझे क्या डालना है? 0 1 डालना है. Okay, so because I want to select mode 1, why we are selecting mode 1? Because it is the best mode out of all, because it has the largest count support that it has. Okay, that is why I'll select mode 1. So 0 1 मैंने डाल दिया. बाकी these are all don't care. I will generally go with 0 only. Okay, सबको 0 बना दूंगा. So what is the data that I can generate? It is 10. So I'll just write down move tmod hash 10h. ये पार्ट क्लियर हो गया? Is this part clear? Yeah, so we have selected the mode. Next अभी मुझे क्या करना है? मुझे लोड करना है टी मोड के अंदर वैल्यूज. ओके, सो मुझे 200 माइक्रोसेकंड का डिले चाहिए. इफ आई वांट टू 2000 माइक्रोसेकंड का डिले चाहिए, तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? व्हाट आई वांट टू डू, हर एक माइक्रोसेकंड के लिए इफ आई अज्यूम एफ ऑसिलेशन इज इक्वल टू 12 मेगाहर्ट्ज. ओके, so what is my counting frequency that I can get? What is f count? F count is equal to f oscillation by 12,
oscillation by 12.
which is equal to 1 megahertz. Okay, it is equal to 1 megahertz. Thus, by this I can assume, what is the time period for this? What will be the time period? The time
1
period,
microsecond.
time for one count is equal to 1 microsecond. Okay, so I can write down if for counting 1 microsecond, it takes how much time? It takes how much time? Yeah, for counting for one count, it takes 1 microsecond का delay. Thus for counting x count, it should take a delay of 2000 microsecond. So what is it? X. What is x?
2000.
It is 2000. So I have to put a 2000 count. अगर मैं 2000 काउंट करूंगा तो मुझे 2000 माइक्रोसेकंड का डिले मिलेगा, क्योंकि हर एक काउंट करने पे मुझे 1 माइक्रोसेकंड का डिले मिल रहा है. ओके, सो बेसिकली व्हाट इज योर डिजायर्ड काउंट? व्हाट डू यू वांट एज अ डिजायर्ड काउंट? सो इट इज मैक्स काउंट. मैक्स काउंट इज बेसिकली f. इसमें से आप क्या करोगे? या इसको बेसिकली यू विल ट्राई टू कन्वर्ट दिस ff इनटू 65535, राइट? 65535 में से 2000 को डिलीट करोगे and you'll add 1 to it. Okay, so whatever is the value, try to convert into hexadecimal. Can someone do it very fast? What is the value for it? 65535 minus 2000 plus 1. Do it on calculator. First tell me in decimal, what is the value in decimal?
63334.
536. Okay. ठीक है, so अभी इसको कन्वर्ट करो into hexadecimal.
F830.
FA30. Okay, so we have got FA30 as the output, which is the desired.
F8.
F8. Okay, F830. Okay, so we have got this as the output, this as the desired count. Now we want to transfer F8 into one register and 30 into another register. So F8 किस में transfer करना है? Timer 1. So we have to transfer in which register? TH1 or TH0? TH1 or TH0?
TH1.
TH0.
TH0 is timer 0. Timer 1 में transfer करना है. So it should be
TH1.
So we'll move in TH1. We'll move what? Hash. What you have to move? F8H. Okay. So because it is F, so you'll have to write 0 over here. So 0 F8H. And then move in TL1 में क्या move करेंगे हम लोग? What will move in TL1?
30H.
It is 30H. Is this part clear? यहाँ तक clear हो गया? That means we have load the count into the timer. Okay, हमने mode भी select कर दिया, load भी कर दिया. अब क्या करना है? What you have to do the next part? What is the next part? What is
Move Tcon.
You have to start the timer. You have to start the timer. So timer को start करने के लिए आपको Tcon का content change करना पड़ेगा. So what does Tcon have? Tcon के अंदर क्या क्या होता है? So last 4 bit is basically your interrupt. So I'll make all those bits as 0. Okay. What are the first 4 bits?
TF1, TR1.
TF1, TR1, TF0,
TF1,
TR0.
TR1. Okay. ये दोनों 0 का है, तो it will make it as 0 0. Out of this TF1 and TR1, which you have to make it as 1.
TR1.
It is TR1. So अगर आप इसको 1 कर दोगे और इसको 0 बना दोगे, so what is the value you want to transfer in Tcon? Hash
40H.
40H. Hash 40H. Okay. So by putting 40H, we can start the timer. Okay. So timer 1 हमारा start हो चुका है. Okay. So ये start होने के बाद आपको wait करना पड़ेगा एक bit का 1 होने के लिए, and then आपका timer का काम खत्म हो जाएगा. So you have to wait at that particular step. So where you want to wait? तब तक आपको वेट करना है जब तक वो बिट 1 ना बन जाए. कौन से बिट की बात कर रहे हैं हम लोग? Which bit you want to make it as 1?
TF1.
It is TF1. Okay, so you're waiting for TF1 to become 1. Okay, so how you can wait for that? How you can wait for making that bit to become 1? What is the command for it? It is JNB. Okay, so you're waiting for that bit to become 1. Okay, you're waiting for that TF1 to become 1. जब तक आप वेट करोगे, कहाँ पे वेट करोगे? You'll wait at the same location. Okay, आप इसी लाइन पे वेट करोगे. Okay, so I'll put a label over here which is called as a wait. Why you're waiting? Until and unless your TF become 1, तब तक आप यहीं पे वेट करते रहोगे. जैसे TF1 1 बन जाता है, okay, as soon as TF1 becomes 1, आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? लूप से ब्रेक करना पड़ेगा. And लूप से ब्रेक करने के बाद आपको क्या करना? What is the next thing that you want to do after coming out of the loop? लूप से आने के बाद क्या करोगे आप?
Clear.
You have to clear whatever the resources that you have used. So क्या होगा? Clear TF1 आपने यूज किया है, clear TR1 आपने यूज किया है, and finally आपको रिटर्न करना पड़ेगा. So in order to return, go back to the instruction which is called, जहाँ पे delay इसको बुलाया था, what you have to do?
RUT.
RUT. So this is the complete delay का function. Okay. So this program is hardly 3 or 4 line का program, but your major marks is again with delay only, and delay के लिए आपको timer का section आना चाहिए. Is it clear? So this is the complete program. This part and this part will give you a graph, which graph is called as a staircase graph. Is it clear? Is it clear, guys?
Yes.
Yeah. So that is the first program. Okay. So quickly write down the next program as well. अगर नहीं लिखा है बुक में तो प्लीज लिख लो, because it is one of the important program, and ज्यादातर पेपर में यही पूछा जाएगा आपको. It will be asked in your paper. Okay, done with that part? हो गया?
Yes.
Okay. The next program is I want to make this line as a flat line. Okay. अभी तक तो ये zigzag था. अब मुझे क्या करना है? नया जो ग्राफ मुझे बनाना है, उसमें मुझे क्या करना है? मुझे flat line चाहिए. I want to make it as a flat line. How it is possible? Can someone tell me? What
No delay. No delay.
It will be no delay. Okay, basically मुझे ideally तो delay नहीं दोगे, लेकिन उससे क्या होगा कि अगर मैं delay नहीं दिया और 8051 क्या होगा, basically it is a very fast processor. Okay, so उसकी वजह से क्या हो जाएगा, जो outcome आएगा, it will be something like this. Okay, so it is like almost it is vertical line. Okay. समझ में आया ना मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? अगर मैंने डिले ये वाला लाइन अगर मैंने हटा दिया, ओके, विच इज अ वेरी गुड थिंग, एक्चुअली डिले हटना ही चाहिए. That is the ideal situation. But ideal situation में because it is very fast, अगर जो output मिलेगा, you'll get output something like this. Okay, it is still a little bit vertical line, and if I put it in a loop, you'll get something like this. Okay, it is not a triangular wave basically. It is basically spikes. Okay, basically it is looking like a spike. Okay, so end में we want to make it as a triangular wave, but before making that, जस्ट टेल मी, अगर मुझे एक लाइन बनानी है एंड वो लाइन थोड़ा स्लैंटेड लाइन बनानी है, टेढ़ी लाइन बनानी है, तो हाउ टू मेक इट, व्हाट इज योर सिचुएशन, व्हाट यू कैन डू बेसिकली? एनी गेस? आई विल जस्ट टेल यू, डिले होगा, बट क्या ये 2000 माइक्रोसेकंड ही डिले होगा या उससे कम होगा या उससे ज्यादा होगा?
Come.
It should be lower. It should be lower. Okay, so just remove these two zeros. Okay, just give a delay of 20 microseconds. थोड़ा सा delay दे दो, which will not be made visible to the naked eye. Naked eye को there has to be a slant over here. So अगर जो CGVR पढ़ रहे हैं, if you're someone is studying CGVR over here, you might be knowing कि आपका एक pixel is getting drawn basically. So अगर आप एक line draw करते हो, which is completely diagonal, अगर वो complete diagonal होता है, it looks pretty thin. Okay, it looks very thin, whereas अगर आप straight line draw करते हो, it is very much what you can say, it is broader basically, it is thick basically. Okay, so have you written down the program for CGVR? program लिखा है CGVR का?
No.
Okay, so if you write any program and in that program अगर आपने condition ये डाल दिया कि x pixel का जो coordinate है और y pixel का coordinate both are equal, that means you're drawing something like this. Okay, आप एक diagonal draw करने की कोशिश कर रहे हो, and diagonal pixel का जो intensity होता है ना, it is pretty much lighter. Okay, वो एक बहुत पतली हो जाती है ये line. Okay, so उसके लिए आपको कई बार क्या होता है, simultaneously दो pixel को glow करना पड़ता है in order to make it as a thick line. Okay, whereas अगर आप स्ट्रेट लाइन को ड्रॉ करते हो, बिकॉज क्या होता है कि इसमें देयर इज अ कॉर्नर वाला जो पिक्सल होता है वो जलता नहीं है. ओके, ओनली दिस पार्ट इज कंप्लीटली विजिबल, बट द स्मॉलर पार्ट और द कॉर्नर पार्ट ऑफ दिस इज वेरी लेस विजिबल. ओके, तो उससे क्या होता है, लाइन थोड़ा डॉटेड नजर आती है आपकी. ओके, बिकॉज यू आर ड्राइंग अ कंप्लीट 45 डिग्री का लाइन. ओके, सो सिमिलर प्रिंसिपल पे भी ये यहाँ पे भी आपको वर्क करना है. आपको डिले देना है, बट वो डिले थोड़ा सा देना है. अगर आप ज्यादा दे दोगे डिले, तो क्या होगा, वो इट विल बिकम समथिंग लाइक दिस. ओके, एवरी पिक्सल विल गेट ग्लो. ओके, एंड इट विल बी विजिबल टू द नेकेड आई. अगर आप एक पिक्सल का डिले अगर आप कम कर दोगे, तो इट विल बी स्टिल बी समथिंग लाइक दिस ओनली. ओके, आप zigzag ही दे रहे हो बेसिकली, बट वो नेकेड आई को विजिबल नहीं होगा. सो यू आर प्लेइंग विद द ह्यूमन आई, बट बेसिकली इट इज देयर, देयर इज अ डिले व्हिच इज देयर. अगर डिले हटा दोगे तो क्या होगा, इट विल बिकम अ वर्टिकल लाइन, which you're not supposed to have a vertical line. Okay, so the whole program is exactly same. What you have to do is you have to just change the delay, and that delay will become 20 microsecond का delay. And 20 microsecond का delay अगर आपको देना है, तो कहाँ पे change होगा, the program will change. in delay में क्या change होगा, mode same होगा, टाइमर को स्टार्ट करने का प्रोसेस सेम होगा, वेट करने का प्रोसेस सेम होगा, क्लियर करने का टीएफ को और टीआर को सेम होगा, रिटर्न करने का लाइन भी सेम होगा. व्हाट इज द ओनली थिंग दैट विल चेंज?
TH1 and TL1.
TH1 and TL1. Okay, so what should be the value for that? You can calculate it on later on. Okay, so हाँ, so basically program क्या लिखना है, what is the program that you're writing? Write a program to generate, instead of a staircase it should be slope. Okay, write a program to generate a slope or a graph with a slope using DAC connected with 8051. Okay, so that is the program. What you want to change, you just want to change the delay. So ये पूरा program same होगा, इसके अंदर कुछ भी change नहीं होगा. The only part which will change is TH1 and TL1. यहाँ पे आपका जो भी calculation होगा, as per calculation your desired count should be 20. Okay, so 20 आपको desired count चाहिए. In order to get a desired count, the count that you will be loading is basically FFFF, यानी 65,535 minus 20 plus 1. This is what you want to load, and just get that value, convert into hexadecimal, put into TH1 and TL1, and आपका program हो जाएगा. Is it clear? Is the program clear to you?
Yes.
Yeah. So nothing changes in the program. Only the delay, which was earlier 2000 microsecond, it has been changed to 20 microsecond. उस डिले को अगर आप छोटा कर दोगे तो क्या होगा, वो लाइन आपको एक स्लैंटेड लाइन दिखेगा. अगर डिले कंप्लीटली हटा दोगे तो क्या होगा, इट विल बी सिमिलर टू वर्टिकल लाइन. ओके, बिकॉज हर एक माइक्रोसेकंड में यू आर जनरेटिंग अ सिग्नल. ओके, सो अगर एक माइक्रोसेकंड में अगर आपको सिग्नल जनरेट करते तो वो आपके नॉर्मल आई को देखेगा ही नहीं. ओके, मतलब बेसिकली एफएफ जनरेट करने के लिए यानी 6536 जनरेट करने के लिए इट विल टेक हार्डली 65536 माइक्रोसेकंड, व्हिच इज इक्वल टू, यानी एक सेकंड के अंदर वो जो भी ड्रॉ कर सकता है वो ड्रॉ करेगा आपका सीआरटी, एंड इट विल बी कंप्लीटली अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. उससे ज्यादा वो, उससे फास्ट, उससे स्लो नहीं कर सकता. स्लो करने के लिए आपको मैन्युअली स्लो करना पड़ेगा, एंड मैन्युअली स्लो करने के लिए यू हैव टू कॉल अ डिले फंक्शन. एंड अगर आप ज्यादा डिले दे दोगे तो उससे क्या हो जाएगा, इट विल क्रिएट अ स्टेयरकेस. कम डिले दोगे तो इट विल क्रिएट, again it will create a staircase, but it will not be visible to a human eye. So that is how you're playing with that. You're doing a work which is called as an illusion. Okay, so can I go to the next program? Is this program clear? What is you're generating, what is the output of this program? The output is you're generating a staircase, you're generating a ramp. Okay, so ramp is basically a straight ramp, okay, or a straight platform which is slanted at a certain angle. Okay, so you're generating a ramp. Okay, so instead of staircase, just make it as a ramp. Write a program to generate a ramp using digital to analog converter connected with 8051. This is the only part that changes in the question. The question में अगर ये change होगा तो answer में कहाँ पे change होगा? The answer will get changed into only these two lines, which is TH1 and TL1. Is this point clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So next, हमने रैम्प बना दिया. अब हमें क्या करना है? The next diagram is basically called as sawtooth. Okay, we want to create a program. Okay, we want to create a program which generates a sawtooth as the graph. Okay, what is a sawtooth? It should go from 0 0 to FF, then it should come back to 0 0. Then it should start again from 0 0. It should go back to FF. It should come back to 0 0. Go back to 0 0. Go to FF, come back to 0 0, then again go back to FF, and then come back to 0. So this diagram is called as sawtooth. So can someone tell me the program for this? सबसे पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा? Move. Tell me the program for it.
A,00H.
We'll start with 0 0 only. Okay. So move A,00H. Okay. Okay, so move A comma hash 00H. उसके बाद what is the next line? Move A से डेटा कहाँ पे ट्रांसफर करना है?
P1.
P1. So move P1 comma A. ये हमने कर दिया. उसके बाद do you want to increment the A or you want to just keep it as 0 0?
Increment.
Okay, so increment A. Then increment A. Okay. A को increment करने के बाद what is the next thing that you want to do?
Delay.
You want to delay. You want to put a delay. And that delay will be generally, because it is ramp again, so delay कितना होना चाहिए?
Small.
Small. So make it as 20 microsecond. Okay, so I'll just put down in comment section 20 microsecond. ये आप delay के function में change कर देना. Okay, so we are done with calling a delay. अब क्या करना है? You want to jump back to which line?
0 0.
You want to jump back till A becomes 0. So what is the command for that? JNZ or JNB?
JNZ.
JNZ, because JNB is for the bit. We are checking the accumulator. So jump if not 0. What accumulator? Where you want to jump to a location called as, or to a label called as back. And where should be your label? Second line, right? Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. So finally, अगर वो loop से बाहर आ गया तब क्या करना है? What you want to do? If you come out of the loop, do you want to stop there or you want to continue again? And that continuation should start from 0. It should start from FF. What it should be?
Start from FF.
If you start from FF, that means आप आगे बढ़ ही नहीं पाओगे ना. You have to, आप FF तक बढ़ गए. You have started from 0 0. You have gone till FF. What is the next loop? It should start from 0 0 or it should start from FF?
0 0.
It should start from 0 0 again. So basically ये पूरे प्रोग्राम को आपको दोबारा से रिपीट करना है. So what should be done? What should be done? So
Move A.
instead of S jump to here, I'll write down here only, and that here will be where? Will it be the same line or will it be the first line?
First line.
So I'll just write down here over here. Okay, so this is my here. So what I'm doing is basically सबसे पहले मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ कि A के अंदर 0 0 ट्रांसफर कर रहा हूँ. उसके बाद मैं क्या कर रहा हूँ, वो A को पोर्ट 1 में ट्रांसफर कर रहा हूँ, उसके बाद A को इंक्रीमेंट कर रहा हूँ, उसके बाद I'm getting a delay of 20 माइक्रोसेकंड. यानी मैंने 0 0 से स्टार्ट किया था, देन मैं 1 पे गया, 0 1 पे गया, 0 2 पे गया, 0 3 पे गया, 0 4 पे गया. So basically I'm getting a ramp. Okay, after reaching FF, okay, यानी मैं यहाँ तक पहुँच गया. Now I'm breaking out of this loop. यानी मैं बार बार इसको रिपीट कर रहा था. मैं क्या करूँगा, इस लूप से बाहर आ जाऊँगा. After getting out of this loop, I'll go back. I'll jump to this location which is 0 0. I'll again start with 0 0. So मैं क्या करूँगा, I'll quickly go back to 0 0 and I'm again starting from 0 0 again. तो फिर से ये रैम धीरे 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 चढ़ते चढ़ते कहाँ तक पहुँचेगा, FF तक पहुँचेगा. फिर से ये 0 पे आएगा, फिर से ये धीरे धीरे 0 से जाएगा, फिर it reaches FF, then it will come back to 0. Okay, so this is how your program will work. Is it clear? So what is the part it changed? Only this line gets changed. Okay, so short jump, if you're jumping onto the here location, वो here location आपने define कहीं और कर दिया, which is the first line. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Sir, instruction उल्टा हो गया. A call A delay.
बराबर. या एक और डिले उल्टा हो गया. किसी ने बोला नहीं है. Okay, so please write down the program for this. Okay, though it looks simple, don't leave it क्योंकि एग्जाम में कई बार confusion हो जाता है because all the program are very much similar. So just write down the program for it. Just note down, okay? So on that basis, can you write down the program for generating a triangular wave, which is the ultimate thing that you want to generate? You want to generate a wave which has to be triangular. Okay, it should be something like this. Nothing much changes, okay? थोड़ा ही सा ही change है, okay? Only a little bit of change is there, okay? Rest of the program is almost similar. आपको रैंप चढ़ने आ गया, आपसे उतरने की बारी है. How to come down? So there should be two loops basically. आपको दो loop बनाना है.
Decrement.
एक में increment होगा, एक में
एक को FFH लेके decrement.
exactly. So FFF, हाँ ये बराबर बोला है. आप 0 0 से जाओगे और कहाँ तक पहुँचोगे? Where you want to reach?
FFH.
Okay. उसके बाद दूसरा लूप में आप कहाँ से स्टार्ट करोगे? You start again from FFF.
FFH.
And
No. You in the second loop you'll be starting from FEH. Okay. Don't start from FFH. वरना क्या हो जाएगा? It will not be a pointed triangular wave. It will be something top पे. There will be two things repeated. FF दो बार आपने repeat कर दिया, right? So
Yes.
पहले लूप में आप 0 से FF तक जाओगे and दूसरे लूप में you'll start from FE and you'll go till 0 0. 0 1 तक जाओगे and then आप 0 0 से करोगे फिर FF तक जाओगे. Is it clear? Yeah.
Yes.
So this is what you want to do. So start writing the program for it. So quickly, just tell me what is the first thing that you do. सबसे पहले क्या करोगे?
Move A, hash 0 0 H.
Yeah. So simulator having the data 0 0 H. This is the first line. Okay. What is the program? Just write down the program as well. Write a program to generate. What you want to generate?
Triangular wave.
Triangular wave using DAC connected with 8051. So this is your program, okay? This is your question. So the first line that you have written is move A, hash 0 0 H. आपने accumulator में 0 0 H ट्रांसफर कर दिया है. अब क्या करोगे आप? Move what?
P1,
P1, A यानी port 1 पे आपने वो data ले लिया है from accumulator, okay? It has came into P1. Next.
Increment.
Increment A. Okay, I'll call increment A. Okay. After incrementing it, I'll call a delay function.
Delay.
So yeah, a call delay. A call delay. I'll call the delay function, and that delay will be how much? 2000 or 200 or 20 microsecond. What it will be?
20.
It is 20 microsecond because again I'm using the ramp only. So ramp में अगर आप ज़रा delay दे दोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? It will become staircase. We don't want a staircase. Okay. उसके बाद next is
JNZ.
JNZ jump if not 0. What? Accumulator to a location
move
which is
the-
called as back 1. Okay, back 1 पे मैं jump करूँगा. Okay, so where is back 1? Where I want to keep it as a back 1? Second line. So
Second
I'll
line.
keep this
Yes,
as a,
second.
I'll call this as a back 1. Okay. So I'll jump back to this line. If it not becomes 0, till that I have to repeat this again. Okay. As soon as it becomes 0, मुझे क्या करना है? I have to stop that. Okay. So I have to come back to the new line. और new line पे आते ही मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? Accumulator में नया data डालना है. So basically what I've done till now, I've started from 0. 0 से मैंने start किया. I've gone to 01, then I've gone to 02, then I've gone to 03, then I've gone to 04. I've reached FF. FF पहुंच गया. मेरे पास अब 00 आ चुका है. 00 आते ही मुझे क्या करना है? लूप को ब्रेक करना है. ओके ओके इज इट क्लियर?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Just a second. Because I don't want to print that 00. I don't want to get the delay for that. Increment delay पहले आएगा, increment बाद में आएगा. Is it clear for that point? So this line, which is increment A, this will come after A call delay. Can I do that?
Yes.
इंक्रीमेंट एम जो है मैं डिले के बाद नया इंक्रीमेंट करूंगा. आई विल इंक्रीमेंट दैट लेटर. ओके. सो मेरा क्या था? एफएफ था. एफएफ का मुझे डिले मिला. डिले करने के बाद अब मेरा 00 आ चुका है. ओके. आई गॉट 00 दैट. आई गॉट 00 बेसिकली. वो 00 आने के बाद आई डोंट वांट टू वेस्ट दैट टाइम. आई डोंट वांट टू स्टे ऑन दैट 00 बेसिकली. ओके. सो मैं क्या करूंगा? फौरन मैं लूप से ब्रेक कर दूंगा. आफ्टर एफएफ आई हैव टू कम आउट ऑफ द लूप. So that is why instead of using that increment A before that delay, I'll be writing down after that delay. Is it clear why we have written down INC A over here? Is
No.
it clear? Okay. अगर increment A आपने पहले लिखा होता तो क्या होता कि आप increment पहले करते and बाद में आप wait कर रहे होते. Okay. You have wait after that incrementing part. Okay. अब यहाँ पे क्या है कि आपने डिले तो दे दिया. आपने जो भी आपका 20 माइक्रोसेकंड का था, आप FF you have reached FE. Okay, till now you have reached FE. अब आपने क्या किया? डिले दिया, उसके बाद आपने FF कर दिया. FF करने के बाद again you have taken the loop again because it is not yet 0. FF पे जब आप पहुंचे उस टाइम पे आपने डिले दिया 20 माइक्रोसेकंड का. 20 माइक्रोसेकंड का डिले देने के बाद इंक्रीमेंट किया A को. इंक्रीमेंट करने के बाद A की वैल्यू क्या हो गई? 00 हो गई. ओके. As soon as it becomes 00, do you want to still wait for 20 माइक्रोसेकंड या आपको फौरन लूप से ब्रेक करना है? After getting 00, do you want to still wait for some time or you want to break out from the loop?
Break out from.
You want to break out, right? So आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? Instead of having that increment before, you can have that increment after the delay, after the calling of the delay function. Okay, so it will not have any impact on the program, but it will save your 20 microsecond का जो delay है, that 20 microsecond का delay आपका बच जाएगा. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So after that, I'll be breaking out of the loop. Basically, मैं अब यहाँ पे पहुंच चुका हूँ. मैं loop break करके अब मैं कहाँ से start करूँगा? Where should I start? Should I start from again
Initialize A.
00 or should I initialize A with some other value?
Initialize A.
So I'll initialize A with a new value, and that new value will be
0 FEH.
0 FEH. Very good. So start from 0 FEH. Why I did not start from FFH? क्योंकि FF ऑलरेडी आपने प्लॉट कर दिया है. अगेन वापस FF करोगे तो क्या हो जाएगा? इंस्टेड ऑफ हैविंग अ पॉइंट यू गेट अ फ्लैट सरफेस ऑन दैट पीक. पीक पे आपको एक फ्लैट मिलेगा. इट विल बी समथिंग लाइक ट्रेपेजियम. ओके. यू डोंट वांट टू मेक इट एज अ ट्रेपेजियम, यू वांट टू मेक इट एज अ triangle. Is it clear? Is it clear why we have moved FEH into that? Okay, now the part repeats again. Just repeat the program again. So क्या करोगे आप? Move what?
P1, A.
you'll move again P1, A. Okay, port 1 पे डेटा डाल दोगे, उसके बाद क्या करोगे? What is the next thing that you want to do?
delay,
A call delay.
You'll again call the delay. So A call delay, and again that delay is same, which is 20 microsecond. Okay, don't change the delay again. It should be constant throughout the program. So A call delay, and that delay is 20 microsecond. Okay. After calling the delay, next is
Decrement.
decrement,
decrementing. So instead of INC, we have to write DECA. Okay, we are decrementing A. Okay. उसके बाद, what is the next thing that you do?
JNZ back to
Yeah. So we write jump if not 0, and we'll jump to back to. Where should we back to?
P1,
P1, So over here we'll have back to. Okay. And finally, once you break out of this loop,
SJMP,
SJMP. Okay, do you want to keep it? You want to continue drawing the graph again and again, or you want to stop it over here? एक बार plot कर दिया हो गया था.
Continue.
continue
You want to
drawing,
continue. So short jump here. Where should be here? On the same line or somewhere else?
First line.
It should be first line.
First.
Here will be something over here. Okay. So this is the program. This is not yet complete. You have to define the delay function as well. So delay function छोड़ो मत देना exam. You have to define the whole delay function again. But that delay should be for the 20 microsecond. Is it clear?
सर DJNZ भी डाल सकते हैं ना?
DJNZ भी डाल सकते हैं, लेकिन वो एक लिमिट के लिए. अगर आपको किसी ने बोला कि आपको 20 टाइम्स तक ये ग्राफ को प्लॉट करना है, देन आपको अभी किसी ने कुछ बोला ही नहीं है, आपको सिर्फ एग्जाम में सवाल बोला है कि जनरेट अ ट्रायंगुलर वेव. आपको स्टॉप ही क्यों करना? करते रहो, जनरेट करते रहने तो क्या प्रॉब्लम है? If there is a condition कि आपको सिर्फ 20 साइकिल जनरेट करना है, 30 साइकिल जनरेट करना है, in that case there should be a DJNZ. There is a difference between for loop and while loop. Do you guys know what is the difference between for loop and while loop? Though it is out of the syllabus, I'm just asking a question.
Yes.
What is the difference? Can someone tell me? Okay, tell me the syntax for for loop. Should I stop the lecture? हाँ, पहले मेरे को इतना बताओ, ये पार्ट समझ में आ गया? Is this part of the program clear?
yes,
Okay, so this program is basically has been asked in last continuous 2 paper. Okay, पिछले 2 पेपर से continuous पूछा जा रहा है. Exactly the same wording. Write a program to generate a triangular signal, triangular graph using DAC connected with 8051. Exactly the same sentence has been asked repeatedly for the last 2 papers. Okay, so the chances of coming is very high because it is one of the favorite question of the paper setter, whoever is the paper setter of MEP. He finds or she finds this question as very interesting one. So अगर triangular wave आ गया तो आपकी चांदी है. But again, program देख के लोग क्यों डर जाते हैं मुझे पता नहीं. I have repeated the same program in the last class, but hardly 3 or 4 students have attempted it, and they have got the full marks in that. Is it difficult to understand? Is the program was difficult? Was the program difficult to understand?
No.
It was easy, right? So basically, अगर timer का program पता होगा तो आप ज़्यादातर सारे program कर पाओगे. So you have to understand the timer program. That is why we have taken so much time in timer section. And once it has been done, hardly बाकी सारे program फिर छुट्टियों में होते हैं. Okay. So yeah. So what are the questions that can come? Either it can be a triangular wave. Okay. So that is similar. Either एक ramp बनाने के लिए आएगा या आपको sawtooth का प्रोग्राम आएगा. So sawtooth will look something like this. या आपको staircase का प्रोग्राम आएगा. Okay, so something like this. Okay, so this is what we write. All the program are much similar. Okay, it is exactly same. Okay, hardly few things changes over in one program and in the other program. Okay, कहीं पे jump है, कहीं पे jump नहीं है, कहीं पे increment पहले है, कहीं पे increment बाद में है, कहीं पे F0 से start कर दो. Second loop पे you start from FE. Okay, in somewhere you start from 0 you go up to FF and then you come back to 0 again. Okay, so hardly few changes are there, hardly few tweaks are there. It is all about your logic. Okay, बाकी पूरा program for all these 4 problem statement is exactly similar. So I hope the problem is clear. Is it clear? DAC का समझ में आ गया सबको? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so I'll quickly stop the presentation. If you have any doubt, you can ask me. कुछ doubt है तो पूछ सकते हो अभी. Okay, so I'll just stop the presentation.